Hello everyone. Before we begin, I am actually going to connect with a friend. Because we're going to make sandwiches. Well, one sandwich. We already picked which one. Now I go to this thing. Okay, am I going to be joining a group or forming it? Let me ask him. He's got a like and rock in his party, so no spoilers will be shown. Alright, cool. Do I make a group or join one? Alright, I'm either going to form one or I'm going to join one. Right, depending what happens there. Well, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to go to the gym after this. Alright, I guess I'm forming. Yes. Okay. 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 I don't have that, so this should be fun. I am like the furthest in the house. Alright, gotta send him the link code. Let's see here. 70J8C3. Now I think it's just him and me this time. There might be other people who will join another time, but not today. Seriously, it will not surprise me if we just disconnect in the middle of it. Yes. Well, don't you look stylish? Dear good grief, you look like a tacky biker. Going over here? This is my first time doing this, so I don't even know what I'm doing. Make a sandwich. One out of two members of your group have joined in. Ah, there we go. Now we are going to make... What was it called again? The classic what? Oh, I think this is it. I wanted to make this, but I can't find the ingredients. Classic. Yes. Look how cute that is. I don't even know what that is. Okay, I'll take... Put that there. Delicious. There. Why is the screen shaking? Oh, okay. I thought there was gonna be more. I didn't put on the sandwich correctly. It's just messed up. So now we're just eating like half a loaf. Well, dig in, everyone. That actually looks good. I don't know how you're all gonna eat it. I'm glad you all liked it. A tasty dusk originally. Well, no one else could have done that. Good for me. I'm gonna say thank you and then I'm gonna go. Gotta pack up and go. Oh, good for him. Nightshade? Alright. I hear Nightshade can be useful. Gotta be better than Astonish. Alright. Time to head off. Oh, that was great. I loved that so much. Is he still with me? Nope, I think he's gone. That was good. That was really good. Yeah, I've noticed. What? Why are we... Okay. Why did we teleport back? Yep, just to help with the sandwich thing. I might do that for bonuses off-screen. This is a grass gym, so... I got a group that could take on grass-type Pokemon. I think I'm gonna keep this new Clodsire around. Okay, where is the chip? I did ask. These gyms look so boring. Yes, thank you. Just imagine the sexy female voice. You have arrived at your destination. Oh no, it's you. Fire, Dusk! It's so wild we end up randomly visiting the same gym at the same time again. No, it's not. This is all a friggin'... What a weird coincidence. I swear I'm not just sneaking ahead of you so I can lie and wait and go, oh wow, weird, might as well battle now that we're... Alright, I'm already suspicious. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get the fuck out of my fucking face. Thank you. I do not like her. She's the friggin' It doesn't help she looks like the Yandere from Yandere Simulator. Register your challenger, yes. So what are we gonna do now? Order phase business, pass gym test. I'm playing hide and seek with sunflowers. Yeah, I'm an artist. Inspired by nature and the sun that nurtures it, Sunflora embodies these concepts. Gather and take care of them. Job today, Sunflora. Shape flowers, 10 of them. Sunflora's lone location. Leave the gym and... Alright. I will not. I'm playing hide and seek with sunflowers. I want to make sure... Yeah, okay, he's there. I want my poison ground type to be on my top for this. Hi there, I look after Artisan Jim Sunflower. I hope you're ready, hide and seek. Go ahead and spread themselves around. Alright. Ten Sunflora. Is there a time limit? I can't move. I'd like to move. Oh, we can move now. Are you kidding me? Two of you sons of bitches are just standing right behind me. Well, what did you expect? Well, let's see here. That's 3, so I'm almost like 30%. No, I am exactly 30% done. Nope, 40%. The only way this could make sense is if the hiding places are just randomly generated or something. Because if that is the case, it makes sense. If not, what the hell? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna find any more here. I see you! That looks pretty. Yes, following me. Yes, yes. I'm not seeing any there. Hi, dude. You're not even hiding. Then again, none of you are actually hiding. You're just standing around. Ooh, really? How did you get up there? I have to admit, that was actually a clever hiding space. That was smart. That's the one sunflower that tried. Okay, so this was pretty easy. Alright, where is that again? Right there, okay. Here's your damn runaway flowers. I would like to get Flabébé. He's not a new Pokemon anymore. Well, she, they're all female. But I do like fairy-type Pokemon. Yes, I did. Uh-huh. Thanks, I really wish you hadn't, but cool, whatever. Can I beat the gym leader now? Yes, I've noticed. Thank you. Thanks. Yes. Oh, and by the way, let me just go ahead and quickly look at... where is it? Yes, the order path. I'm going to need that once I beat this guy. What's next after this? Where did I put that map? Oh, here it is. So after this is another Titan. Greetings, Challenger! Are you Axel the Red? From Mega Man X5? You did well to come this far. I am Brassius, an artist specializing in grass-type Pokemon. I also know the gym leader here at the Artisan Gym. I was observing your gym test from atop the windmill, you know. The perception you displayed in finding Sunflower was truly... oh, how shall I describe it? Oh my god! Dude, forget the gym battle and just take a fucking nap. Your face. Particularly your eyes. Yes, it was truly avant-garde. I only pray that you might demonstrate that eye for beauty in our battle as well. I'm going to make your Pokemon sick. Enough talk, we must begin creating our collaborative work of art. I think this guy's crazy. I trust that you are ready. It is time for our Master V to take shit. Let's just... Dude, come on. Why did he take out his Vine Whip? How did he get a Pokeball? We saw him take his Vine out. Art is creation and destruction. Struggle, else your feet will nourish my... I panicked because I knew I had a short time. Now this is why I'm keeping this guy. Toxic spikes are very useful. And I think if you do it a second time, the Pokemon will get badly poisoned, if I remember this correctly. Do it a second time, and... Or maybe I have that wrong. I mean, I could. Yeah, I expected that. No big deal. Honestly, I'm surprised he didn't do it sooner. Yeah, you go ahead and take your nap, buddy. Just any time you'd like to finally fight, that'd be wonderful. 16. Wow, I over-prepared. Good work. Small live? What is that? Oh, right, you. Ah, yes, badly poisoned. Excellent. Yeah. This is how clever I am. Sudowoodo. Oh yeah, he's gonna be a grass type for this. I don't know. Sudowoodo with a Terra grass type? He wouldn't be Pseudo then, he would just be Woodo. This has promise, yes, let us lead this artistic endeavor. You can all read, whatever. Yeah, I did that, what are you gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna burn your toxic ass. That looks good on you. Allow me to touch this workup slightly. I will call it Truly Woodo. Oh my god, not Pseudo Woodo, Truly Woodo. That's actually better than what I had. That would probably look better on Bulbasaur. He's gonna poison and die. I don't even care. I don't even care. The poison's just gonna... Oh, that's great. Now you're not so Woodo. Avant-garde! Why do you look so pissed, dude? All I did was brutally kick your ass. Oh, what autistic tactics you employ! I poisoned your team and then I lucked out with Sturdy. The patterns of your moves, the minute details of your Pokemon performance, everything you did was honed to perfection. Our battle was, in a word, art. Indeed, if we could not call that a work of art history, then nothing else in the world would be labeled as such. If I were to judge your work, I would say it passes by inspection. Yes, a pass without inspection. As proof of artistic prowess, you may have my gym badge. Shall we take a photo as well? Why? Are we selfieing? That's actually a good picture. If you possess 2 gym badges, it'll be easier to catch Pokemon up to level 30. And those Pokemon who should follow your commands as well. To fantastic trainers such as yourself, I would also like to offer this, a favorite of mine. Ah, my inspiration is overflowing, as if drawn from a bottomless well. I will bring out a new piece at once. You must excuse me. Farewell. Cool. I should check what the net... Who are you, and is that a cape for a shirt? Nimona had mentioned there was a promising new face in the academy. Yes, indeed. Oh, but I do apologize. I don't mean to startle you by addressing you so suddenly. My name is Hassel. I am of the Elite Four of the Pokemon League. Why does he look like he's secretly dead inside and he's trying to cover it up? I also teach the class academy. How do you have time to do that? So do tell me, Young Dusk, what compels you to collect those gym badges you strive to be a champion? Honestly, it's just to help with catching. I guess it's to get stronger. Yes, the answer. Thank you. I mean, none of those were really any of my actual answers. I'm just in it for the Pokemon and stuff. Naturally, there was no single correct answer. All paths lead to the great crater of Paldea, as they say. You know, your friend Nimona is the youngest to achieve champion rank in all of Paldean history. It is entirely possible that such great potential lies within you as well. You have a weird walk. Should you continue striving to reach champion rank, you will one day have to battle me. It would be wise to train hard starting now. It will save you from experiencing the bitter regret of defeat. Oh, and do come along to my art class sometime. I'd be thrilled to have you attend. Is there a point in going to those classes? I mean, no offense to the guy, but is there? No. Alright. So, this is next. Ugh, I have to go there that way, do I? This is it. Flying. Okay, what's good against flying? You are not. You are. You are not. Well, you need to level up, so I guess I'll keep you. A dark type? Not really. You're a rock. You would actually help out. Oh yeah, these are the evolved Pokemon I have. Remember that Tarantula? Yeah, he became this, and my pig became a sassy woman. Look at that sass. Yeah, I guess I'm going with this. Alright, cool. I forgot to put the destination thing on there, didn't I? Yes, heal my Pokemon. Delightful. Thanks. Okay, it's right here. So this is a flying type, huh? Yeah, I know. I'm not deaf. Actually, I should say blind. She didn't say it to me. It was in text. Oh, you're a person. Okay. Oh, Psyduck. Magikarp. You know, a lot of people say that Magikarp's weak, but I've heard that he can survive just about any ecosystem, even some of the most polluted, dirty waters. Okay, that's an issue. How do I cross? Is there a bridge? I'm not seeing a bridge. That's because I'm going the wrong way. I'm still not seeing a bridge. Oh, do I have to go up that hill? I do, don't I? Explains a lot. Didn't mean to fight you. In fact, you're not even interesting to me. I already have a Ghastly, and a Haunter, and a Gengar. I put my Pokemon in Pokemon Go. Or not Pokemon Go, Pokemon Hope. Oh my god, a Rockruff! Why did you do that? Oh my god, it's a Rockruff. He's too weak. If I hit him, he'll just keel over. Must luck out with a Quick Ball. Quick Ball's actually my favorite Pokeball. Oh, I caught him. My goodness, Rockruff. I like Midnight Lycanroc. They are pretty awesome looking. Now listen here, you. I only caught you because you are adorable and awesome as hell when you evolve. Don't let that go to your head. I'm probably not even going to use you during the recordings. Mischievous? I don't think you have any new forms. Oh, look, another Rockruff. What the heck are you? Capsicid? I don't remember you being a thing. I guess I'll catch you. That's a new one, right? I'm pretty sure that's new. I don't think I've ever seen a Capsicid before. Traditional Paldean dishes can be extremely spicy because they include the shed front teeth of Capsicid among their... What the fuck? Go away, I already have one of you. You're so weak, you're not even worth fighting. Have a nice day. Are those more Capsikids? Okay, that's one. Oh, that's Rockruff. Oh my god, a Phanpy! I know you guys have a new form, so I'm catching you. But my Pokemon are too strong because I overpowered them too soon. So I'm gonna have to Quick Ball you. I think Mankey has a new one. So I'm gonna try and catch him next. I have no idea how. It is far stronger than it appears. If Ampia swing its trunk around and your arm gets hit by it, your arm bone will shatter. Oh my god. Yeah, I need a man key. I'm just gonna try my luck. What am I gonna try it with? An Ultra Ball? Let's try an Ultra Ball. Stay in the ball, please. Oh, thank you. I'm not sure what it evolves into exactly, but I'm pretty sure... Well, I do. It's a third evolution. I think it's a ghost type. I, looked at it once, but... I'll see how it evolves. Which way am I going? Okay, I'm going this way. Ghastly, go away. Hello, what is this? Another rock growth. There are so many of these guys. No surprise, that guy had a lichen rock if you saw it. Oh yeah, didn't I make a sandwich that increases the ghost encounters? Explain all the mischievous and ghastlies. I wanted to make one to increase egg finds, but yeah, we weren't able to. I don't have... The wind goes whoosh. Yeah, I kind of noticed that, kid. Who would have known? Hi, what Pokemon do you have? Ah, yes, the teapot. I can't remember its name, but I've seen it in the Galar region. What the hell are you? Level 17. Should I risk fighting it? I don't even know what type it is, but it looks like some sort of water type. I'm gonna try and catch it. Tab-bulb? What? It's floating. The Pokeball is floating. Anyone want to tell me how the fuck that happened? Good. It floats using the electricity stored in its body. When thunderclouds are around, float higher off the ground. No. Yes. You. You could be very helpful against this Titan I'm gonna go against. Oh, who am I kidding? You're the weakest in the team right now. What are you? Flittle? I don't even... What? Let's try a Great Ball. Confusion? Okay, it's a Psychic. Of course! God damn it. Let's try Poison Tail then. Ow. Don't hit yourself. God damn it. My Pokemon are too strong. There we go. Alright, let's just try another Great Ball. Frisk. Found its Oranberry. Okay. Leave that alone, please. You know what would suck? A Pokemon that whenever you encounter it has an ability that automatically steals a held item. Or a random item in your backpack. It spends its time running around wastelands. If anyone steals its beloved berries, it will chase them down and exact its revenge. Calm the hell down. What are you, a candy wrapper? Exact its revenge. How horrifying. How's it going? Hardness. I just want to get to the Titan. I'm wondering what it's going to be this time. How much further? Oh, not that far. Hi, can you heal my Pokemon? Yeah. You know, the machine's like right there. Do we even need your permission? Well, I guess you are pretending to do things with your fingers. There's like no keyboard there. I don't know what you're doing. Okay, I think I go this way. I was correct. Hang on a second, I need to talk to this guy. Yo, Dusk! So, from what I gather, seems like the Open Sky Titan is somewhere up on this mountain. How do you know we're on the mountain? But there are all these crazy boulders raining down from the mountain, too. It's gonna be a little tricky to stand around and look for the Titan while... I think you'll be sent flying if you get hit by a falling boulder, but maybe you could power your way through the top. That brute force of your... Really? Did you just call him a brute? Don't be a dick. He's a charming motorcycle. Okay, this is the wrong way. Pardon me. I just want to get by you. Yeah, it really doesn't look like you could run away from him, could you? Oh, shit. Alright, let's just stay on the path. Oh, that's Vampy. Hi, Vampy. What the hell is that thing? I see that. I don't know what it is, but I see it. How's it going? Okay, oh, we're going this way. That's a river. That's a river, you idiot. What is that? High boulders? Almost got hit. So, what is that? What the hell are you? Oh my god, it's a Stork. And it's holding its thing up like there's supposed to be a baby in it. Stop lying to our kids. They need to know where babies really come from. Ow. I'm stronger than you. Maybe. You bitch! Look how pleased he is. He looks like a smug asshole. Now, how do I get this Pokemon anyway? I haven't seen one like this before. Ow. Normally I don't care, but in this particular case I want you all to experience. I'm gonna put an electric type. No, maybe a rock type. Yep, rock. Come on, one more poison tail. Slap him. Dang. Yeah, quite the show. Bird. Yeah, oh. Dusk, you managed to get to the Titan somehow, huh? So that's the Open Sky Titan. Wait, is this Titan what's been dropping all those bolts? Yes, it is. I was lucky enough to be able to sneak up here because it had all its attention on you, little bud. It looks like it's trying to power itself up, like with some kind of mystical meal power or something. So I better hurry and go all out. Alright. Where are you going? Oh. I wanted to get a Pokemon out first. I was gonna use something like that too, except, you know, something cooler. Trying to drop rocks on folks is dangerous. Let's give this thing a good taste of defeat. Nice shot. Fell straight down. Oh yeah, what's this do again? The user selects the target inflicting damage every turn. Right. I didn't even need that, did I? Good work, Minecraft minion. Are we gonna go in now? Yes, way to go, Dusk. Looks like we don't have to worry about any more boulders falling on us now, huh? Yeah, I guess so. There has to be more of that Herba Mystica in here. Let's hurry and find it before that Titan come back to go another go at us. Sure. Let's see. After this is... Oh, a Team Star. If we're lucky, there'll be another herb here. I knew it! Okay, you're clearly feeding this to a Pokemon of yours, but aren't you worried that he might grow, like, insanely big once you give him all these? It really is here. This is one of the herbs, make no mistake. It's pretty. The bitter? Yeah, I don't like bitter. Woohoo, we did it! Thanks, Dusk! Now let's see, what is this book at the site? A bitter herba mystica, great for your circulation. It really gets the blood flowing. And that warms you right up, nice and toasty, even boosting your immune system. Or so it says. If I can just slip this into a tasty sandwich and get to eat some. What are we waiting for, Dusk? It's time to dig in. Let me whip something up for us. You know, you're not doing a good job at hiding this. You're making a sandwich, not karate chopping. And Bob's your uncle. Hey, you don't bring my uncle into this. Here you go, my special whimsical herb-filled super sandwich. Comes with a side of Titan bat. No. That does not look good. It seriously doesn't look good. I don't think I want to eat it. Take it. I don't want it. Oh, come on. You again? Take it. We all saw that picture. I don't want it. Yes. Is it trying to say thanks or something? Well, good thing I made extra. You helped me out a whole bunch with the hard stuff, so it's only fair that you get more. I definitely absolutely did not make extra so that Merilodon could have a sandwich, okay? Sure. So what'd that do? Across water? Did it grow stronger again? Man, these Herba Mystica really do pack a punch, don't they? Man, that better be or else I'm really up the creek. Don't you dare touch that! That isn't for you! Oh boy. Sorry, I shouldn't have shouted like that. I guess I should at least tell you the full story, Dusk. Come on out, bud. Oh my god, you're cute. This is Mabda Stiff, my partner. Oh my god, he's so cute! Here you go, bud. Eat up. This sandwich should help you feel better. Slowly now, take your time. Small bites are fine, just chew it nice and slow. He's so cute! My buddy here was hurt pretty bad a while ago, real bad in fact. He never really recovered. Nothing seems to help, not potions, not Pokemon centers, nothing. Madostiff here is the only thing in the world I care about. The only thing. I think I'm saying it's Mabostiff. So I promised that I'd make him better whatever it takes. I searched online, I read books, I looked all over and tried to cure the remedy I could find, but nothing really worked. I'd almost given up hope. That's when I found out about the Herba Mystica. Yes, you've done your... Yeah, see, I found this book in my dad's lab. Area Zero is home to wondrous herbs that instantly impart vigor when eaten. We dubbed them Herba Mystica and attempted to grow some in areas around Paldea. However, before we could harvest the herbs were eaten by Pokemon, which in turn grew large and strong. We call these Titan Pokemon. Oh my goodness, is one of them in Eevee? I would love that. It's this book full of crazy stories and legends of things, stuff nobody usually believe. But I believe it. I think what it says is true. And according to this book, eating all 5 Herba Mystica can cure anything that ails you. Case in point, Mabostiff's paws were cold as ice before he ate that last herb. But they've warmed up a little now. I'm sure they have. Aw, y'all done? Oh, you're so cute. Can you see? Are your eyes open? Yeah, they were open this whole time. Yes, I did it. It's been so long since I was able to open his eyes. I was so worried. Oh man, I'm so glad. Aww. Look at him. Those fiery orange little eyes. Hard to even tell if they're open or not, but I know the What? What did you what? Whatever. The power of these herbs is amazing. I knew the book wasn't lying. I'm gonna bring Mabelstead back to full health, I swear it. Alright, yeah, so that's my story. 3 hours to go, let's find it together. You're welcome. So now we can swim on... Oh. Hello, Dusk. This is Toro. I detect that Meridon has gained more of its original power. Wait a minute. You detect? Is that how Professor Oak could tell if we're riding a bike inside a building? While riding upon it, it seems you should now be able to move across water. Okay, that's gonna be awesome. I'm relying on you to continue taking good care of Myriad. Okay. So that's how Oak could tell, huh? They could sense it. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's one of you guys. Air Cutter. Not a bad move. If you're fighting against more than one person. Wow, the river doesn't move me. I just stay right there. I love it. I thought that was great. Okay, so the next one we're gonna be doing is... Where is it? You. Dark, huh? Well, good. An excuse to use some fairy types. Alright, what team should I have here? Well, there's you. That would be a good idea. Then you. I think you're supposed to be a fighting type, so you. You too. I'm just gonna add you here. Add you. You're a fighting type, I should add you too. Yeah, that should do it. I'm definitely having you. You are like a keeper. Toxic spikes, perfect. I don't think we have enough time though, and I have no idea what this star team is going to be like, so I'm going to call it quits right here. But I wonder how Fighting Team Star is going to go. We'll find out.